Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor. So guys, this video is going to be very special because I'm going to share the most powerful and the most good strategy that you will never find of trading view, because I have tested this strategy from many days, and this strategy is working very great. So today I'm going to share this strategy. So before I move towards this strategy, if you are having problems with your broker, then you can find the Exness broker link in the description of this video. So I'm using this broker from 2015 without any problems. Now let's move towards the strategy. So you will need the first indicator, that is MCAD 4C by Wigno, and plus signal line, that is by Squatter. Okay, so you will use this indicator for the first, and you can see the MCAD indicator is attached on our screen. The second indicator that we will be using with this is the moving average exponential. So you can see that moving average is attached on our chart. Now if we go to the settings of the EMA, so we need to make a little bit change. You can see we have the length here 9. We will change this length to 200 period, right? Okay, we will also make some changes to the style. We will choose the color to yellow, and then we will press it on OK. Now you can see that 200 EMA is attached on our screen, and the second one we are using the MCAD 4C, and I have already mentioned this is by Squatter, so please make sure that you must be using the same one. Okay, now we will attach the third indicator, that is the parabolic SAR, but it's different from the previous that I have mentioned in the videos. That is parabolic SAR by Get, right? So the third one you will be using the parabolic SAR, right? So now you can see we have attached the many indicators on our screen. So basically these are 3 indicators in total. Now we will talk about these indicators, and we are going to do some trading with this, and we are going to advise the trading with these indicators, right? So for example, let me change my chart to USD or you can choose any other chart. So right now I'm on 3-minute time frame. However, you can use any time frame of your choice. If you want to see more successful results, we can go to the 1 minute as well. Okay, so let's have a look on the 1 minute time frame. So you can see that here their candles were below the moving average, and we had a sell signal from the indicator, from the parabolic SAR indicator, and you can see a very good drop. Again the sell signal drop. Here the market was ranging. However, whenever you see the market is above the moving average, you have a buy signal. Now one thing that you need to focus here, that's very important. So let me fit any better chart. So for example, you have a buy signal on USD CHF 1 minute, and you can see the first confirmation that 200 EMA is the candles are above the 200 EMA, and you have a buy signal. Then you will check the MCAD indicator, that is it green or not. If it is green into the light color, like you can see into the light green color, then you can take your trade, and you can see this is a successful trade on Euro USD. So I am showing the data on the 1 minute time frame. However, you can use any time frame, and you will realize with the passage of time that your stop loss will be very less in numbers, and your profitable trades will be very good. Like for example, if we talk about the Euro USD, 1 minute below the moving average, you had a sell signal here, a very good drop. MCAD was also red. You can see a good drop. We will ignore the buy signals. We will not be taking the sell, only the buy signals. We will be taking these sell signals. Another sell, that was good. This sell hit your stop loss. Another sell, that was good. So below the 200 moving EMA, you are not going to buy any particular pair. You are just selling, and above the EMA, you are ignoring the sell signals, and you are just taking the buy signals. However, the time when I'm making the video, this is the slow time, so this is not a good time to trade because it's 10:22 p.m. by my time. But however, you can see overall a very good successful signals by the indicator on different time frames, like on USD JPY 5 minute, ignored sell, buy perfect, ignore sell, and hopefully this buy will also go perfect. This buy also went perfect. This buy also went perfect. So in this way, you can do a massive amount of trading. And guys, this is the strategy that I have personally tested on my live account. So you can also test this strategy, and you can share your results with me into the comment section. At the end, I will say, guys, please subscribe the FX Mentor, and if you have any problems with your broker, you can join the broker that I am using. The link is already given in the description of the video below. Exness broker, it is very honest with the withdrawals and deposits, and also they give you the fast withdrawals, and that's not a problem because I have also shared my withdrawal proofs as well. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please share this video as well.